New parts, thanks to Famous 4. Quick delivery. Now I'm ready to put in the steering pump. Just got my order from Famous 4. And the main thing that I ordered is the steering pump for the Defender and also a new compressor for the Discovery 3. So let's open the boxes and see what we got. I think this is the compressor. It's the upgraded AMK version. The Land Rover one. Yeah. So I'm just gonna leave that to. I'm gonna start fixing the Discovery. And voila! So I got this from Famous 4 for free. So I'm gonna put that on the rear spare wheel. And I think it's gonna look awesome. So thank you, Famous 4, for this. Yeah, so this is the 3 parts I'm gonna change. It's the supply pipe from the reservoir to the pump. It's connected underneath. And then you have the feed pipe that goes from the pump to the steering box, which connects here. Oh, well. So pretty easy to do. And this supply pipe is just 2 clips on the bottom beneath the radiator. So just clip off the old one, screw off the retaining clip, and then just put a new one back on. So I'm gonna do that first, and then change the feed pipe, and then at the end add the new steering pump. So stay tuned. I think you hear a V8.